Hello from Seoul. I know cooking a nice meal on a busy weeknight is not a small task. So many people end up getting some takeout or delivery food. But aren't you just getting sick and tired of eating the same takeout or delivery? If this is you, you came to the right place. With me, you're gonna have one of the simplest but the most satisfying meals in under 15 minutes. Yeah, you're gonna thank me later. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started. Like I said in my previous video, I'm busy, just like you guys. So when I get home, I always look at food delivery apps. But as you know, I have a hungry bird at home who can't wait that long. So I always ended up making these garlic shrimp noodles. Yes, it's that quick and easy. The taste? Don't worry about it. It'll be the best. I guarantee it. For this, you will need green onions, garlic, ginger, baby bok choy, shrimp, and noodles. Here, I've got some knife sliced noodles and udon noodles, but I haven't decided what I'm gonna use yet. Which means, you can use any kind of noodles you like. Spaghetti, fettuccine, or even rice noodles, no problem at all. So just use what you have. That's the best. Alright, let's prep some vegetables. First, slice some green onions and separate the whites and greens. Since these are gonna add some freshness to your stir-fried noodles, be super generous with this. Remember, more green onion, more delicious. Next, garlic. Take 5 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. What? Not enough garlic? Alright, challenge accepted. Let me add 5 more cloves of garlic. What? We can't beat Italian guys with this amount of garlic? Then let's add 5 more. I think I said in my previous video, but let me say it again. There's no such thing as too much garlic to Koreans. So you don't have to worry about it. It's gonna be awesome. This time, grate a small knob of ginger. About half a teaspoon would be enough. Once that's done, take some bok choy and cut them in half lengthwise. What? You secretly bought a PlayStation but don't know when to confess? Don't worry about it. This beautiful thing will make your wife happy and save your ass. You're welcome. Now let's make the sauce. In a small container, add 3 tablespoons of Korean chili pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 teaspoon of Korean chili paste, some black pepper, and a small pinch of MSG, which is totally optional. That's it. It's really simple, right? What? You wanna know these kind of ridiculously easy Korean food recipes? More and more? I'm so glad you brought that up, because I wrote it for you. With this one book, you can cook more than 100 Korean dishes like a pro. So don't forget to pre-order my book today. The link is in the description. Alright, it's cooking time. Fill your pot with some water and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, cook your noodles according to the package instructions. When the noodles are cooked, take them out and give them a quick rinse on the cold water. But don't throw away the water yet, because we're gonna blanch our bok choy in the water. Now let's transfer the noodles to a bowl and give them a good mix with 1 teaspoon of oil so that they're not all sticking together. But make sure to use neutral tasting oil. What? You only have olive oil? No! Never use olive oil in Asian cooking. You have some sesame oil, right? Then let's go with that. Alright, let's add 3 tablespoons of oil to a wok and heat it over medium-high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add the white parts of green onion, garlic, ginger, and give it about 1 minute or until they are fragrant. After that, add in our shrimp and let them cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once they are 80% cooked, reduce the heat to medium, add the sauce, and stir them around for about 1 to 2 minutes. When the sauce meets our lovely garlic and green onion oil, that will create an amazing flavor. But be careful, chili pepper flakes are easy to burn, so you gotta keep moving around. If they are burnt before you get the beautiful chili oil, not only will they make your dish not pretty, but you will also get a bitter taste. So do not walk away and keep an eye on this, like handling a baby. Alright, increase the heat to high. And finally, add in your noodles. Now all you gotta do is show me your wok skill for about a minute or 2. Here, some of you might say, Aaron, I don't have a wok. I can't do that. Again, don't worry about it. Whether you use a wok, pan, or even Dutch oven, that's not gonna make a big difference in taste unless you get the big flame like a restaurant. Seriously, that one. So just use what you have and try it. No problem at all. Last but not least, turn the heat off and add 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil and just give it a little toss. That's it. Alright, let's put it all together. Put some noodles onto a plate and top it off with some bok choy, green onions, and a little bit of sesame seeds. That's it. But because I know that hungry bird is gonna ask for some eggs, let me add some beautiful soft boiled egg. Everyone has this kind of stuff in the fridge, right? Alright, it's done. Can you believe this beautiful dish can be made in under 15 minutes? I don't think so. Alright, let's call our taste tester. Claire?
Wow, it's so colorful. And the shrimp in the middle looks super delicious. Let's give it a try. 와, 냄새도 너무 좋다. Oh my gosh. Who can resist this? Definitely not me. Cheers. 새우에 양념이 샥 잘 배가지고 그 짭조름한 그 맛이 진짜 예술이야. 입맛을 끌어주네. 오, 그리고 항상 느끼는 거지만 이렇게 새우를 쓸 땐 좀 웬만하면 좀 큰 걸 쓰는 게 좋은 것 같아. 그 통통함이 조그만 새우를 썼을 때랑은 진짜 차원이 달라. 너무 맛있어. 생긴 건 약간 하와이안 슈림프 뭐 그런 거 느낌도 나는데 막상 먹었을 때는 한국의 맛이 제대로 확 나. 양념에서 느껴져. One more bite. 맛있어. 면이 꼭 꿈틀꿈틀 살아 움직이는 것 같아. 이 느낌이지. 갑니다. Ready? 이건 씨푸드 안 좋아하는 사람도 무조건 좋아할 만한 맛이다. 새우가 이렇게 잔뜩 들어갔는데도 전혀 비리지 않고 양념이 예술이야. 양념이 약간 매콤하면서 참기름 향도 샥 나고 거기에 살짝 달콤하면서도 짭조름한 맛이 균형이 너무 잘 맞네. 진짜 맛있어. 그 아이코닉한 한국식 볶음, 그 볶음 요리 딱 그 맛이야. 소주가 필요하겠어. 소주랑 같이 먹으면 잘 어울리겠어. 자기가 여기다 마늘 12개 넣었다 그래가지고 사실 좀 걱정했었는데 전혀 마늘 향이 그렇게 과하지도 않아. 내가 한국인이라서 그런가 괜찮아. 딱 적당해 아주. 내가 저번에 청경채를 안 먹었더니 사람들이 이거 안 먹었다고 댓글 엄청 달았더라고. Don't worry guys, I always eat it all. 이렇게 한 입에 또 먹어야지 이것도. Ready? 주시하고 아삭아삭거리고 너무 맛있어. 밸런스를 잘 맞춰주는 것 같아. 그리고 중요한 거 예쁘잖아. I love it. 마지막으로 mix everything together. 됐다! 먹어봅시다. 슈루루. 너무 맛있다. 먹어봐도 될까? 오 마이 갓. 이렇게. Totally worth it. 너무 맛있다.
Today, I showed you how to make super simple garlic shrimp noodles. How was it? It's way easier than you think, right? Then delete those food delivery apps and run to your kitchen. With this bad boy, I'm pretty sure you can have some time to chill out for the rest of the evening. You're always welcome. Alright, this is it for today. Don't forget to pre-order my book, and I'll see you next time.